Hi, welcome. My name's Phil Irwin, and in this session, I'm going to walk you through how to request items that are not currently available at the San Jose State University Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Library. Before we get started, you will need your student ID and password to log into your library account in order to follow these directions. Let's get started. In previous sessions, you've learned how to conduct searches on the library's OneSearch website. Basic searches, you just enter a title or an article in this search bar right here, and it'll take you to the record of articles, books, newspapers, other items that are available through the library. Sometimes, when you're searching for an item, it may not be available in the library. Let's look at one of those items and see how we can gain access to it. I've got a title off the top of my head that I've been looking for. Okay, I entered my title, I submitted my search, but as you can see here, no records were found in the library. To expand our search and see if it's available in a different library, all you have to do is click Expand Your Search. All right, there it is. It popped up right away. It doesn't always pop up right away. Sometimes there's a list of results, and you'll have to scroll through to see which one actually matches the article or book that you're looking for. Since this is the one, I can actually proceed to the next part of our request process. I can simply do that by clicking Requested from Other Libraries. Okay, well, this might be a little bit confusing if you haven't done this before. So what clicking that did was bring open the record of this article. It shows me the title, the author's name, the journal it's in, the year it was published, and so forth. What we're looking to do is request it from another library. To do that, I'm going to need to click on this button right here for more options. This is where you will need your student ID and password to log in. Okay, I'm logged in. So now I have an option to request this item through Interlibrary Loan. And the program that the library uses to request this is called Iliad. So what I'm going to do to request the item is to click here. Here, you will have to sign in again using your student ID and password. Okay, since I had already created an Iliad account through the San Jose State University Library, clicking the request and signing in brought me straight to this request form that's pre-filled out with the article's information. As you can see, the article title, the journal title, and so forth. If you haven't yet signed up and registered through Iliad, clicking the request button will take you to a form that you fill out to register. We'll address that in a separate video. For now, we just want to request this article. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll through to make sure all the information matches up. And it looks like it does. So I'm going to go all the way to the bottom. Make sure to read the warning concerning copyright restrictions. And then click Submit Request. Great. It looks like the request went through. It was received. And all that remains is for the library to send me an email confirming that they received my request and giving me information about when I can expect to pick up or retrieve my article. That concludes our instructions. Thanks for your attention, and best of luck to you.